Hey guys, Zach here with Lumatank, just bringing in some tips and tricks from us here at the Tank Builders. We wanted to kind of troubleshoot some of the things that we've heard as a common problem for some of our customers here. And one of the first things that we want to go over would be the installation. After you install your tank, just ensure that all of your fittings are tight, your vent, your fuel cap, your sending unit, everything's secured to the tank to ensure that when you're going down the road, you don't get any leaks, DOT doesn't catch you, and you're gonna be scot-free to keep moving along. Another common problem we see with fuel tanks that have been on the road for quite some time is cracking close to the backside of the tank near the weld seam. They tend to be subjected to a little bit of rattle down the road, so it's a good thing to check in every once in a while and make sure that you don't have any leaks. Obviously, the signs can be grime and dirt kind of compiling around that area where the strap will be located at, so clean it off, shine a light on it, see if you have any hairline fractures or anything that looks like that. And if you have any questions, take a picture, give us a call, we'll have you send it in and let you know if it's something that could be repaired for a lesser cost or just needs to be replaced. All right guys, another troubleshooting problem would be that if you order the wrong tank and it doesn't fit. It happens, we understand. Give us a call, we'll let you know what your options are. We're here to work with you. Any one of our sales team can take a look at your order, go over the details and make sure that we're gonna be clear, concise, and get you the exact tank you need. If you still have questions after watching our tank measuring video, feel free to give us a call. Any one of our salesmen will be more than happy to help you out and guide you through that process over the phone. Another problem customers will run into sometimes is connecting their fittings to the right holes in their tank. Suctions and returns need to be hooked up to the proper lines for your truck to operate properly. If you're having issues, you can refer back to your schematic that we sent over to you so you can identify where your draw tube is located. That way, when you go to reinstall your fuel lines, you're putting these fuel lines in the proper location.